$150,000 is the average amount you can make a year doing this business. I recently interviewed a successful operator who shared his blueprint and a hidden client acquisition secret. You only need a lean startup budget of $2,000 to cover legal registration and basic marketing. Spending $400 on general liability insurance protects your operation from the first day. The return on your initial investment happens quickly, often within the first 45 days of working. Profit margins hover around 65% because your overhead costs remain incredibly low. If you want to make your business highly profitable from the start, then exactly follow this execution plan. Okay, let us look at a real scenario where you charge an average pricing of $75 per hour. Securing just 3 standard jobs per day gives you 6 billable hours and $450 daily. That translates to $2,250 every single week for 5 days of work. So let that number settle in for a moment because it shows how scalable this service model is. Now, the technical secret most people ignore is optimizing your business profile for local search terms. Targeting property managers instead of homeowners secures recurring contracts that guarantee steady volume. To execute these jobs successfully, you need specific instruments and essential professional tools. You must have a cordless drill, a heavy-duty ladder, socket sets, drywall saws, and digital multimeters. Then you add measuring tapes, stud finders, safety gear, pliers, and various standard hand tools. To simplify your setup, all these required products are tagged in the video in one full list. You can quickly have these exact items added to your cart right now to save time. Operating this way generates $1,000 in monthly income with minimal material expenses. Your total yearly expenses will stay below $15,000, leaving you massive net profits. Another expert trick is charging a flat diagnostic fee of $50 for every single site visit. Right now, you can register your business name with your local state department to begin. Next, print 100 professional business cards to distribute to local real estate agents. Then, set up your commercial bank account to separate your personal funds from your business revenue. Consistency with this exact blueprint will establish your profitable service enterprise this year.